Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to do a cucumber garnish. So this technique is really important. Garnish your meals if you're working in restaurants or fine dining restaurants or cafe, or you're gonna deliver some fruit for the functions. This kind of garnishing with the cucumber, it's very cheap way and it's easy way. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I get the cucumber and cut off from the bottom and then cut into the half. Then you're gonna cut it again into the half. Make sure you get the plastic off. Make sure you get the half like this and turn around and get the really thin skin off. And then again you're gonna get this skin off. And then you're gonna slice it up. Make sure you hold it together even though slice it up. Don't let it separate from the main cucumber. So do not let separate this one, and you're gonna get the skewers, and where the grains part close to you, you just put through it. It might go off from your side, but make sure you push it harder. Be careful with your finger, and after that you just turn around like this. It's like a wagon wheel. It's more important when you cut it, it needs to be separated. To the end, you just get one slice of cucumber, and you're just gonna place that like this, because in that way it's gonna stays on the plate. So I'm gonna do the second one as I said. So make sure you cut into the slices, make sure you separate it, but don't let these slices go away from the main cucumber. You slice them. Make sure you're gonna use your skewers. Just go one by one if you're not confident about. Just need to go up here. Just need to go parallel. After you place the skewer, you just turn around like that. It's like a wagon wheel. It's like that, guys. And make sure to the end you just get one slice of cucumber, and you're just gonna place that like this, because in that way it's gonna stays on the plate. See guys, this is the kind of wagon wheel. This is a one-off presentation. This is a kind of another presentation. I'm gonna make it like a round. You can make as a tower on top of each other. So what I do, I just cut the cucumber. Make sure when you get the cucumber, it needs to be straight. Otherwise, you won't get the real outcome of this. And you're gonna cut into the half, and then you're gonna cut into half again. Get the plastic out. So what you do, you're just gonna get the 3 inch of cucumber, then cut into the half, and you're gonna get the corner of this one, get the skin off, because in that way it's easy for you to place this one. So I'm gonna slice this one, and I'm gonna put the skewers around it. I'm gonna slice into very thin slice. Then I'm gonna make a shape out of this. So I'm gonna get the toothpick, and I'm gonna show you how to do that one. So you're gonna push one side around, the others up here. So you're gonna place up here. So this is how you do the nice presentation with the cucumber. As you follow me carefully, you can do a nice presentation like this. Make sure you have to have a little bit practice, so that way you can get nice presentation like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys got some tips to do a nice presentation with the cucumber and the tomato. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video, so don't forget to subscribe me Cooking with the Brown Chef. Till then, cheers, bye.